my name is André Pestilho, and this is my final project for CS50x 2020, a Python program to calculate salinities from fluid inclusions. I am a geologist from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I work in the petroleum industry with geochemistry and fluid inclusions, and I have no previous experience in computer science. The program is a command line program that reads the CSV file containing ice melt temperatures from aqueous fluid inclusions and computes salinities for up to 23%. Fluid inclusions are droplets of fluids trapped in rock. The salinity of fluid inclusions can be calculated by data from freezing experiments. The program follows the pseudocode. Alright, then this is salinity.py. I implemented this code using CS50's IDE. Here is the source code. Okay, as you can see. So how it works? Okay, having the CSV file with fluid inclusions ice melt temperatures organized in this way, with fluid inclusions ice melting temperatures in the right column and ID in the left column. I just type in the name of the program and the CSV file. It requests me the digits after decimal point and then an output name. So it calculates fluid inclusion salinities, okay, here, and it can be exported to different software or even work in Python to generate plots and interpretation.